Imagine a perfect recording, a flawless playback of every moment. This is our common fantasy of memory. But the truth is far more intricate. Your past is not a fixed photograph. It is a living, breathing sculpture, constantly reshaped by the present. Welcome to Mindscope. Today, we venture into the labyrinth of human memory. It is the bedrock of our identity, the thread connecting our past, present, and future. Yet this fundamental aspect of our consciousness is far from a simple storage device. We are about to uncover the astonishing reality of how our minds truly remember. And the implications are profound. The illusion of perfect recall. We often believe our memories are like video clips, accurate and unchanging. However, neuroscience reveals a different story. Memory is not a passive archive. It is an active, reconstructive process. Every time we access a memory, we are not simply retrieving data. We are rebuilding it. This rebuilding process is influenced by our current emotions, our beliefs, and even the context in which we recall it. Think of it like a story. Each retelling can subtly alter the narrative, adding new details, omitting others, or shifting the emphasis. This makes our memories remarkably fluid and surprisingly malleable. The power of suggestion. External information can seep into our recollections. This phenomenon is known as the misinformation effect. Studies have shown how leading questions can implant false memories. Participants, when exposed to suggestive language, can vividly recall events that never happened. Imagine being asked about a car crash. If the question uses words like smashed versus hit, subsequent recollections of the car's speed will differ dramatically. This demonstrates how easily our perceived reality can be shaped, even by seemingly innocuous prompts. Our brains are not immune to external narratives. They can integrate these narratives into our personal history, blurring the lines between experience and suggestion. This has significant implications for eyewitness testimony and our understanding of personal history. The reconstructive nature of forgetting. Forgetting is not merely the decay of information. It is also part of the reconstructive process. When we recall a memory, the brain reactivates neural pathways. These pathways are not always perfectly restored. Over time, the details can fade or be replaced by more salient information. This is why childhood memories can be hazy, or why we might misremember the exact sequence of events. The brain prioritizes efficiency. It consolidates information and discards less relevant details. This allows us to function without being overwhelmed by every past sensation. However, this efficiency comes at the cost of absolute fidelity. Our memories are therefore a dynamic interplay between retention and alteration. between recall and reconstruction, memory and identity. If our memories are constantly being rewritten, then what does that mean for our sense of self? Our identity is built upon the narrative of our lives. This narrative is composed of our memories. If these memories are not fixed records, but rather evolving stories, then our identity must also be in constant flux. This is not to say our identity is unstable. Rather, it is a continuous creation, a process of becoming. Our past experiences inform our present, and our present experiences shape how we perceive our past. This creates a feedback loop, a continuous dialogue between who we were and who we are becoming. Implications for learning and growth. Understanding the reconstructive nature of memory offers powerful insights. For learning, it means that repetition is not just about reinforcement. It's about actively rebuilding and refining neural connections. For personal growth, it suggests we have agency. We can consciously influence our internal narrative by challenging negative self-perceptions and integrating new positive experiences. We can, in a sense, edit our own past, not by changing what happened, but by changing how we remember it. This empowers us to overcome past traumas and to build a more resilient future. Our minds are not static hard drives. They are dynamic ecosystems, constantly adapting and evolving. And within this evolution lies our greatest potential. The next time you recall a memory, pause for a moment. Consider the intricate dance of neurons, the subtle whispers of the present. Your memory is not a perfect echo of the past. It is a vibrant, ongoing creation, a testament to the incredible plasticity of the human mind. Thank you for joining us on Mindscope. Until next time, keep exploring the depths of consciousness.